Do you feel like the best kept secret on the internet? Do you struggle to get more email subscribers? Do you feel like nobody wants your offer? Well, you're not alone. See, I know a lot of amazing businesses that offer a lot of value, but they feel completely invisible. In fact, when I started with my online business, I felt the exact same way. But that all changed when I created a buyer magnet. A buyer magnet is something valuable that you can offer for free or for a low cost in exchange for an email. It could be a free guide that somebody downloads, or maybe even a webinar, or a free series of short how-to videos. A good buyer magnet will get you tons of subscribers. But you might be asking yourself, okay, but how do I know if it's a good buyer magnet? Well, we've put together a free guide called How to Create the Perfect Buyer Magnet. In this guide, we're going to show you how to create a buyer magnet that gets tons of email subscribers automatically, helps you hone in on the perfect problem that your audience needs help solving, turn new leads into buying customers, and makes a massive impact on the lives of the people you serve. Download the guide today at multiplier.com/buyer magnet.